think I'm gonna read my story. I like this book. Oh yeah, I like this book. Let me see. I turn the page. Let's see, what's this book called again? Oh my gosh, I love this. It's one of my favorite books. Oh, I love it. La 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 la. Oh, I like this book. Oh, what? Oh my gosh! She took my book! Oh my gosh! Oh, I get so sad when somebody takes my book like that. I was ready to read it. Ah, I'm so angry! Oh, oh, teacher, what happened? You look so upset. Oh my gosh, what happened? He looks so upset. I am upset. I'm so angry. I'm so angry. My friend came over and took my book. I'm so sad. Oh, I see you're so frustrated, sad, and upset. Oh my goodness. What should we do? Well, I just want to tell her she's not my friend anymore. Oh, not my friend. I don't like her anymore. I don't want to play with her. Oh. Now, would that be helpful if we talk to her and tell her you're not her friend anymore? I don't know. I'm just still so frustrated and upset. I don't know. Would you like to talk to her? I guess so. I can't do it all by myself. I'm so irritated. So many emotions. You're irritated, you're frustrated, you're sad, you're upset, and angry. Yeah, I am. Well, maybe if I talk to her, maybe she'll understand. Well, let's see, because I remember you said you didn't want to play with her. Yeah, but I'm feeling a little bit better. Okay, how can you calm down? Well, I take a deep breath. Good, good. You're getting control of yourself? Yeah. Now, can you think about the words that you'd like to say to her? Okay. I guess I could say I was really upset. Okay, yeah. Right? I would do that, wouldn't you? Well, you're gonna say you were really upset and then talk about why you were upset. Okay, all right. We'll call her over. What's her name? My friend Judy. Oh, okay. Judy, come on over. Call her. Judy, come on over. Yeah. What do you want? What do you want? I was reading my book. I like this story. I saw you with this story and I wanted to read it. I love that story. Oh, you like that story, huh? Yeah, I like it too. All right, well, let's talk about it, guys. Let's see what happened. Now, my friend Bear, talk to Judy and tell her what happened. Tell her how you felt. I felt angry. Oh, you were angry with me? Oh, I'm sorry. I didn't know you were so angry. Yeah, I got really angry and I got frustrated with you and then I got upset and then I got sad. Aw, I got sad because you walked by and whoop, you grabbed my book. I was so surprised. Oh my. I guess I did do that, didn't I? I'm so sorry, my friend. I'm so sorry. You felt so awful. I'm sorry. I was so excited. I saw this book and I got so excited because I love those darn squirrels. My favorite book. I love it. I love it, love it, love it, love it. And I'm sorry that I hurt your feelings. Can we make a plan? Yeah. how about if we go read the story together? We can read it with Teacher April, and then we can look through the story and read it to ourselves, okay? Yeah, I like that. Okay, let's go. Come on, you get that end of the book. Whoa, careful. Okay, Teacher April, we'll wait for you over here. Okay, all right. Okay, guys, nice plan. I love the plan. So Bear got upset because Judy took his book, and then Bear talked to him about being so upset and frustrated and angry. He was all those things. And then Judy talked to him about how excited she was about reading the story. They worked it out. You see what communication does with friends? I love this. Okay, I'm going to go read the story with my friend Bear and Judy. We're going to read Those Darn Squirrels. It's one of our favorites. All right, my sweet friends. See you later. Talk with your friends and communicate, especially when you're upset. See you. Bye.